What's going on, YouTube? It's ShotBy and we're back out with another video for y'all today, man. And today, thanks to Vantrue, we'll be installing a three-way dash cam into our new 2009 Dodge Charger. And basically just shout out to Vantrue for sending this out to try out and unboxing stuff, man. So I can't wait to open this up and see what's in here. But like I said, it's a three-way, so it has the front view, the rear view, and then it has a cabin view camera. So that should be pretty dope, you know, with all the content and stuff that we're going to be getting with this car. I feel like this would be the best setup for it. So without further ado, man, let's go ahead and tear into this box and see what's in it. And so you open it up. We got the diagram right here to show how you hook everything up. Pull this first box out. This might be some cords, it looks like. Come on now, gotta be smarter than the plastic. Or at least stronger than it. Shit. So it comes with a mount of some sort. We'll have to figure out what that is. Looks like a panel popping tools to tuck the wire in. Some extra 3M adhesive sticky pad things. These things. Looks like we have a Type-C to Type-C cord, or a USB to Type-C cord. We have the cigarette lighter adapter with the USB plug in there. And then we have a Type-C cord for the dash cam. All right, that's it for this first box, man. On to the second one. Which I'm guessing this right here is the dash cam itself. Yep, here it is. It's actually pretty bulky, bulkier than I expected. But there's the front camera, and then back here, it has the cabin view camera. Oh, it's the mount for this. So yeah, you slide it on here. And I think this might be a little remote or something like that you can stick somewhere. That way you can just click the button on this remote to save stuff without having to touch the dash cam itself. This is probably the last but not least box that's in here. And this will probably be the actual rear view camera for the rear, the back window. And it's probably the super long cord so we can reach it somehow. Yep, and then there's the rear view camera right there. And then last things that are in the box, I believe is some like cleaning pads, some more sticky stuff, and then like little clear plastic things that you can put on the window to stick them to. And I believe it's the instructions. So yeah, the user manual, some stickers that say they're protected by Vantrue. That's actually pretty cool, no lie. But other than that, man, I think that's pretty much everything that's here in the actual box itself, man. So without further ado, let me go ahead and pick all this stuff up and take it outside, and let's just go ahead and get this installed into the Charger, man. And then but I feel like the hardest part will probably be figuring out how to wire this wire all the way from the front to the back. That way we can power the rear camera, man. So let's get to that, and I'll see you guys here in a second. Thank you guys, man. So step one for now, since I still got to get the center console for this, we're going to just plug it into the cigarette lighter here, and we're going to try and run it along up in here somewhere, at least until it meets the center dash cam up here. And then after we get that wired, we'll figure out how to maybe wire that long cord from the front all the way to the back so we can wire in the rear view camera as well. After you get the cord ran the way that you can get it ran best in your car, you want to go and get some glass cleaner, and you know, something that's going to clean the glass pretty good. And you want to scrub the area that you're going to be installing the camera real good, because you don't want anything to be in between this and the window, because then this will end up falling off over time, especially with the weight of this dash cam that I'm feeling right now. So like I said, clean the glass, and then we're gonna go ahead and get the sticky part off and install the dash cam up here. Guys, man, I actually did skip a little bit, but I had to basically need both my hands, that way I could run both of the wires. But as you can see, we got the power wire ran from the cigarette lighter up and around all the way up to the dash cam, and then we ran the rear camera wire into the dash cam, through the roof, around, down there, and to the back right there. So as you guys can see right here, when you switch through the cameras, we got cabin view, rear view, and then front view. Oh, wait, see if we'll go back to all three. Oh shit, I passed it. There you go. But that's it, man. That's how you get the thing installed. Remember, don't forget to take off these like plastic pieces over the camera and stuff. But other than that, man, we just gotta find somewhere to install this little remote thing, which I'm thinking probably somewhere along here or somewhere, at least until I can get this center console from a factory one. So I'm probably gonna do it like right, or actually I don't even know, I could probably even do it by the key. I don't know, we'll figure it out though. All right, man, after some consideration, man, I'm probably just gonna install it down here, even though when I swap the center console out, this part is gonna go, but I'll just have to take it off and then add some more sticky stuff to it and put it on the new center console, man. So that's probably where we're gonna put it, like right there, out the way, and it looks kind of neat. And now we have the remote installed. The last thing that we have to do is download the app. That way we can connect it to our phone and be able to preview the footage and stuff like that through the app. And then we just need to go get an SD card, put it in there, and then we're gonna go right around and we're gonna test out some of the footage, man.
VD.
But all right, you guys, man, that's gonna be it for this video. As you guys can see, it works great, no issues. All three cameras are recording simultaneously, so you basically can watch all angles of the car whenever you want to. You can go back and watch it, so that's pretty cool. And make sure you keep these. You don't want to lose your little extra sticky pads, because you never know whenever you're gonna need some more later on. But basically, with all that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man, and head over to Vantrue.com and check out their long list of dash cams that they have, man. And once again, shout out to them for sending this out to me, and so I can put it into the charger, man. So just stay tuned to my next video, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.